National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, until 5 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Walpole to 13 miles west of Hinsdale, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Keene, Jaffrey, Peterborough, Charlestown, Winchester, Antrim, Bradford, Dublin, Richmond, Harrisville, Nelson, Gilson, Marlborough, Ridge, Walpole, Alsted, Westmoreland, Swansea, Marlow, and Hinsdale. This also includes Mount Monadnock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Cheshire, and Sullivan. Here is